So I'm just going to warn you beforehand that there's flashing lights involved here, in case you're sensitive to that. So what we're testing here is the response to the constant current mode of this programmable power supply. So I've got it set up to 10 milliamps and 4.5 volts, because this little toy was originally powered with 3 LR44 batteries, so it ran at 4.5 volts. But what limited the current to the LEDs was the batteries. So when these LEDs turn on, it's going to pull down the supply. Now I'm measuring the voltage drop across the black LED, the black clip lead feeding this. That is our yellow trace over there, and the blue line is the positive out from the power supply. Okay, so when I knock the little spring over there, you can see it flickering. Now what we're seeing on the scope is the cap on the output of the regulator. It's a buck regulator discharging, so the current comes up. There you see the voltage come down, and then there where the LEDs turn off, you can see that cap recharging again, so you can see the recovery. Okay, so if I turn this current up, it's going to recover quicker. So I'm going to set that to 30 milliamps, and you're going to see that slope change. So let's knock that again. So the LED is brighter, and you can see that that slope has become steeper because there's more current available. But basically the response on the output of this power supply is instant in the constant current mode, and there's very little overshoot when it recovers there. The regulation is very good. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We wrap this one up. Hope you found it interesting, us testing the response to the constant current mode of my programmable power supply. So take care, have an awesome day further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.